launched smaller circling satellites between July 1st, 1957 and December 31st, 1958 as a part of our contribution to the International Geophysical Year.
We will launch satellites in the near future.
Today, August 2nd, 1955, is the beginning of the space race.
Today, on October 4th, 1957, we make history with the launch of Sputnik 1.
The Soviet Union is taking over space. We need to move up our timetable so we won't be behind by a lot.
Today, November 3rd, 1957, we will beat the Americans to sending a living creature to space with the launch of Sputnik 2 with the dog Laika on it.
Khrushchev, Laika died 7 hours after launch from overheating and stress.
Let's tell the public she died painlessly days after orbit. Last week, we successfully launched the dog Laika into Earth's orbit. She died painfully last night.
Today, December 6, 1957, we will launch our first satellite, Vanguard TV3, on live television.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch!
United States should receive foreign aid for developing nations.
Today is January 31st, 1958. Nearly 4 months ago, Sputnik was launched. Today we will launch our own, Explorer 1. Now we will launch the world's first solar-powered satellite into space. It's called Vanguard 1.
That Vanguard 1 is only 15.2 centimeters in diameter and 1.4 kilograms. You should call it the grapefruit satellite. Today, September 12, 1959, we launched Luna 2. It will be the first man-made satellite to make contact with the moon. Today we proved we can return living creatures from space with the launch of Sputnik 5 with Belka and Strelka.
On January 31st, 1961, we sent a chimpanzee to space and returned him back to Earth.
Today we will launch Yuri Gagarin into orbit, and he will be the first man in space.
My goal is to put Americans in space and on the moon before the decade ends. We launched Alan Shepard into space and he returned in the spacecraft. So it's the first complete human space flight by FAI definition.
We will launch Vostok 3 and Vostok 4 with cosmonauts that will make radio contact with each other.
When I was launched in Vostok 4, I saw Vostok 3 at once. It looked like a small moon in the distance.
We should join forces with the USSR in efforts to reach the moon.
I don't want to have a joint mission.
Both countries might get cost benefits and technological gains from a joint mission, but I don't have the same trust in Johnson as I did in Kennedy. On February 3rd, 1966, we launched Luna 9, and it was the first soft landing on the moon and the first taken pictures from the moon.
Today, July 20, 1969, we go to the moon. We are launching Apollo 11 with Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins, and Buzz Aldrin.
I, Pete Conrad, am the first person to dance on the moon.
We finally have a joint mission. This will be the end of the space race. In space, we will connect Soyuz 19 with Apollo Soyuz project.
Come together.